Yeah, we back. Time to install. So just like that. Installing that boy just like that. Take my bolts and I'll show y'all after the video how the setup going. So just like that. Of course I ordered that off of eBay. Which I feel like is, I mean, I have the one for, I have the divided T4 flange for the, for this one, but that came from VS Racing. So all this is what gets ordered, man. I'll probably go with this one. This one came with the kit, so I'm gonna use this. Of course, it came with everything to replace the turbo. So that's it, man. Of course, I ordered this off eBay like a jack, beep beep. So don't mind me. This is going to get put up somewhere. I don't know. Maybe somebody needed it. Man, I don't know. We're gonna throw it away. Yeah, man, so we're gonna put this bad boy on here and we'll go from there. It should fit. It should fit, y'all. So of course I put the nut on there, just trying to make sure everything's gonna fit. And then from here I'm just gonna put this boy like this. Got that on, put my bolt on. Not gonna tighten it down, just make it to where I can put my other bolts on. So let's see. Yeah, we back. Turbo is back on the truck. So it is harder to spin, which I don't know why. But we're gonna prime it before we start it. And we'll go from there. But I did put some oil in there. So we'll go from there, y'all. I think that'll be it. And that's it, man. I do have to put this exhaust back on, which I will do. Put my my coolant tank back on there for the anyways, y'all, your boy back. So we're gonna run and go get some E85. Prime it just a little bit. I want to see if that wheel will spin, and we're gonna go from there. Y'all here with me. So are y'all ready for this video, man? This is the moment of truth. Your boy rebuilt a whole VS Racing turbo kit in his garage. I don't know if you fit to see. Right now, if you take this ride, after that, that's it. So, of course, I did fill the turbo, the bearings up with the syringe. I think it was like 5 milliliters or something like that. So I filled it up. Tried to get it to spin. It's still, the wheel is still tough to spin. Man, we're gonna go from there, man. All we can do is try. We tried, we repaired it. From there, I don't see what the problem could be because the whole turbo is repaired. So of course they said on other videos on YouTube, do not start the truck or the vehicle, the turbo dry. Dry meaning no oil in it. So that's why you see me with the syringe, I'm country, my bad. Putting oil in there. So I put oil in there because it's gonna take time for the oil to come up from the motor to the feed line inside the turbo. Return from the turbo to the return line. So the return line, the gasket that goes to the return line is done, it's finished. So yeah, I don't gotta worry about that. So excuse me, I was just fixing that where it go in the return line. Yeah, man, that's done, man. That return line is on there, tighten up. Feed line is tightened up. Just got to put the exhaust on here. So before I put